This is a quick video for anybody interested in the difference between Subsonic 308 suppressed versus unsuppressed out of a bolt-action rifle with a 16-inch barrel. This is just something that, I was really interested in before I put this kit together. So I thought I'd put a couple shots down range, let you guys hear what it sounds like. These are PPU's Subsonic ammunition line. They're 200 grains, going about 1,000 feet per second, and they are not breaking the sound barrier at this altitude of 1,600 feet on a 75-degree day. So I'm going to put 2 rounds in. The first one is going to be shot unsuppressed. The second one will be with the suppressor on. So see if you guys can hear this back home. Hopefully you can hear the difference. It's pretty significant. Not breaking the sound barrier here, but a lot of noise coming out of the end of the barrel on this first round. Shooting a target at about 200 yards. Steel target. Going hot. Okay. It's unsuppressed. Let's put the suppressor on it. This is an AAC SR7. AAC SR7. 30 caliber can. Anyway, guys, hope you can hear the difference there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. More to come. Thanks.